The internet is buzzing with rumors that Tesla might cancel the Model 2 to focus on their Robotaxi plans. But here's the explosive truth, one that completely shatters this speculation. No cancellation here. Elon Musk is revealing the final production plan for the 2025 Tesla Model 2. And trust me, what we're about to reveal will shake the entire automotive industry. So, what's really going on with the final production plan? If you want to be the first to hear all the insider details on Tesla's biggest updates, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell now. The full truth is just around the corner for our next 21,179 members. Now, how will Tesla scale up production for the 2025 Model 2 in Q2? Tesla's approach to scaling up production in Q2 2025 is nothing short of groundbreaking. With a vast global network of factories, cutting-edge manufacturing methods, and bold production goals, Tesla is set to prove that a sub-$5,000 EV at mass scale isn't just a dream. Their multi-factory strategy, record-breaking production speeds, and cost-saving innovations are showing that they can pull it off. At the heart of this revolution is Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico, a $10 billion investment that's more than just another manufacturing facility. This Gigafactory is poised to be the most ambitious EV plant ever built, supplementing production from Tesla's other factories. Located near Monterrey, this facility is set to be a game changer. The biggest news of the day? Tesla is building a Gigafactory in Mexico. Construction began in late 2023, with permits finalized by October. Despite rumors of delays, reports from China now suggest that the Mexico factory will start vehicle production in the first quarter of 2025. Unlike traditional car factories that can take years to reach full capacity, Tesla expects to employ 7,000 workers and produce 2 million vehicles annually in record time. Drawing from the success of Giga Shanghai, where they ramped up to 700,000 units per year in just 12 months, the Mexico plant is projected to produce 500,000 Model 2s annually at first, ramping up to 1 million by 2026 and potentially reaching 2 million by 2028. But that's just the start. Tesla's genius lies in its global manufacturing strategy. Leaked internal documents show that Tesla is spreading production across 4 key factories: Giga Mexico, Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, and Giga Shanghai. Each of these isn't just a factory. They're strategically placed parts of a global manufacturing puzzle. Giga Texas will start with 200,000 units in 2025, utilizing existing infrastructure. Giga Berlin will aim for 300,000 units by late 2025, catering to Europe's small car market. Meanwhile, Giga Shanghai, with its 95% localized supply chain, will contribute 400,000 units. This brings the total initial production of Model 2s in 2025 to 1.4 million, with an ambitious goal of 4 million by 2028. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Tesla's new production technologies are the key to making this massive scaling possible. At Tesla's 2023 Investor Day, Elon Musk revealed some groundbreaking manufacturing methods that will revolutionize the auto industry. The company is implementing next-gen gigacasting, which reduces chassis assembly time by 30% and cuts costs by 20%. Plus, Tesla's innovative Lego-style assembly approach will allow 6 prefabricated sections to be assembled in under 5 minutes per car. With this method, Giga Mexico aims to hit 10,000 units per week by 2026. This incredible efficiency is what will allow Tesla to keep the production cost of the Model 2 between $10,000 and $12,000 per unit, making a sub-$15,000 price tag not only possible, but highly profitable. Tesla's phased expansion strategy will see global production ramp up quickly. By the second quarter of 2025, Tesla plans to produce 350,000 Model 2s across all its factories. By the fourth quarter of 2025, that number will jump to 1 million units as Giga Berlin picks up speed. By 2026, production will hit 2.5 million, with Giga Mexico alone potentially producing 1 million vehicles. By 2027, Tesla is aiming for 4 million units, perfectly aligning with Musk's bold goal of producing 20 million electric vehicles per year by 2030. While competitors struggle with supply chain issues, rising costs, and outdated manufacturing techniques, Tesla is rewriting the playbook on auto production in real time. At the heart of this transformation is their revolutionary approach to scaling manufacturing, and it's clear they're only just getting started. Do you think Tesla will leave gas-powered cars in the dust with a $15,000 price tag? Or will traditional automakers push back? As insiders with deep knowledge of Tesla and the market, we believe this price point will dominate the market, crushing other affordable gas-powered cars. If you agree with us, show your support by commenting $15,000. If you're not sure yet, stay tuned for the next section. Why is the Model 2's pricing strategy a game changer? What if a $13,797 Tesla Model 2 could totally flip the script on automotive pricing? The 2025 Tesla Model 2 is a financial revolution on wheels, set to transform the global automotive landscape. While many automakers have struggled to deliver entry-level EVs at scale without sacrificing profits, Tesla has rewritten the rulebook. Let's break down why this pricing strategy is so disruptive. The average new car in the US costs about $47,000, but the Model 2 comes in at a jaw-dropping 68% less. Imagine owning a fully electric, high-performance Tesla for less than the price of a basic economy car. And with potential federal tax credits, some buyers might pay as little as $7,500, lower than the cost of a 15-year-old used Honda Civic. Tesla is offering a premium electric vehicle for the price of an old gas-powered clunker. To put this into perspective, the Chevy Bolt EV starts at $26,500. The Nissan Leaf starts at $28,400. Even China's aggressive BYD Dolphin is priced around $20,000. So, how does Tesla make this happen without losing money? The answer lies in groundbreaking cost-cutting innovations. Thanks to next-gen manufacturing and battery tech, Tesla has slashed production costs from $36,000 per Model 3 to just $10,000 for the Model 2. By eliminating rare earth metals and reducing silicon carbide use by 75%, Tesla has created a manufacturing miracle. Their new battery packs are 30% cheaper, and the design is 15% shorter and 30% lighter than the Model 3. This incredible efficiency allows Tesla to maintain a healthy 25% gross margin, generating $3,750 in profit per vehicle. This is a game-changing disruption. While Tesla delivered 1.79 million vehicles in 2024, compared to Toyota's 11 million, Model 2 could level the playing field. Tesla is targeting an astounding 700 million lifetime sales for Model 2, which dwarfs the Toyota Corolla's 50 million units over 58 years. By 2027, Tesla plans to capture 50% of the $15,000 to $25,000 EV market, translating to 5 million units globally. EVs under $30,000 made up just 5% of US car sales in 2024, but the Model 2 could push that figure to 20% by 2028. This would fundamentally transform automotive accessibility, making electric cars an attainable reality for millions of people who once thought they were out of reach. The Model 2 is poised to do for gas cars what the iPhone did for flip phones, make them obsolete. With cutting-edge technology and affordable innovation, the Model 2 is set to rewrite the rules of an industry that's barely changed in decades. Does this pricing strategy make electric cars more accessible to you? Let us know by commenting Model 2 if you agree. If not, tell us your preferred price point. How will Tesla meet the sky-high global demand for Model 2? So, what happens when the most anticipated electric vehicle in history meets a market that's starving for affordable innovation? Aside from its groundbreaking price, the Model 2 has the potential to rewrite the rules of global transportation with demand that might even exceed Tesla's most ambitious production goals. Recent surveys show a staggering 69.9% approval rating for Tesla's low-cost EV strategy in 2025, indicating millions of buyers are ready to jump on board. In the US, Tesla projects 1 million Model 2 units annually by 2027, potentially capturing 30% of the EV market, up from 18% in 2024. But it's in China, the world's biggest EV market, where the numbers get even more explosive. Tesla is projecting 1.5 million Model 2 units annually there by 2027, marking a 25% increase from 2024 sales of 657,000 units. Meanwhile, in Europe, in markets where small, affordable EVs dominate, Tesla is set to add another million units annually, potentially taking 50% of the small car EV segment. By 2028, Tesla aims to hit 4 to 5 million units per year, perfectly in line with Elon Musk's bold goal of 20 million electric vehicles by 2030. Behind these ambitious numbers is a highly strategic, military-like supply chain plan. Reports suggest that Tesla has already encouraged at least 20 Chinese suppliers to relocate to Mexico, offering them 20% higher contract prices to speed up production. This move is part of Tesla's long-term strategy to create a 95% localized supply chain by 2027, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. By 2026, 50 new supplier factories are expected to be up and running near Gigafactory Mexico, producing 80% of the Model 2's components. For context, Tesla's Giga Shanghai optimized logistics, cutting delivery times by 40%. Giga Mexico aims to reduce delivery times by 30% by 2028, meaning the Model 2 could be produced and delivered faster than any car we've seen in the industry. Tesla is also making huge strides in charging infrastructure, a key element of its global strategy. With over 60,000 superchargers already in place worldwide by October 2024, the company is investing $2 billion to expand the network to 100,000 chargers by 2027. 20,000 of which will be in Mexico alone. These chargers will offer lightning-fast 15-minute charge times at a maximum capacity of 350 kilowatts, ensuring Model 2 owners can quickly and easily power up their vehicles. Unlike traditional automakers that are stuck with outdated dealership models, Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales approach is already disrupting the market. In the second quarter of 2023, Tesla delivered 466,140 units, and the company is expecting 2 million online pre-orders for the Model 2 in 2025. Tesla also plans to open 500 new showrooms globally by 2027, with a special focus on Asian and Latin American markets. While the Model 3 and Model Y accounted for over 90% of Tesla's 2024 sales, internal projections suggest that by 2028, the Model 2 could make up 80% of total sales, a transformation that would redefine automotive economics. Priced under $15,000, the Model 2 will change how millions of people buy and drive electric vehicles. Tesla is pulling every lever to make this happen, from Giga Mexico ramping up production at record speed to a global supercharger expansion. Now, here's the big question. If Tesla were to launch the Model 2 tomorrow, would you be ready to buy one? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in the next few videos, we'll be revealing leaked photos and details of the Model 2's testing version. Be the first to witness the future.